In this video, let me show you how to fix Emirates NBD app login problem. Now the first thing that you need to ensure is that the credentials that you have entered in are correct. If you forgot your credentials, you can simply head over to the forgot credentials option and then you'd be able to recover it. But however, if this is not the case for you, and if you have recently changed your device lock as well, and if you're trying to use your biometrics in order to log into your account, this exactly may be happening as well. So make sure you add in your credentials, log into your account, and only then you need to add in the new biometrics that you have added in. So try to clear out these things first of all. But however, if this is not the case for you, you also need to ensure that you have not connected to any sort of VPNs, and also make sure that the date and time settings within your device is also set to automatic. So head over to these settings, head over to the date and time settings, and make sure that it is set to automatic. Now if none of these solutions are still working out for you, the last thing that you can do is just reinstall the application. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.